Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Do It tutorial videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix you've made too many phone verification requests on ChatGPT. So there are 3 ways to fix this issue. So the first one is to use another phone number. So you can buy a new SIM card and then use that number, or you can try to search on Google for the free number that you can use for verification. Okay, so the second method is wait for 24 to 48 hours after using a new phone verification. And then the third method is to contact the support team and they will fix your issue. So you can go to help.openai.com and then you can report a problem in here. And then just wait for the reply after 1 to 7 days. And that's it guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.